Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you're gonna cash out your bills and coins from the machine. The bills that collected here in this bill acceptor, and the coins that people inserted here in the coin max. So the way how you're gonna collect and cash out your bills and coins, you're gonna open the machine first thing, and then once you open the machine you will see your component here. You're gonna see the bill acceptor here. This is the bill acceptor where all the bills being collected in this device. If you go down a little bit here, you will see the coin mag. This you can't cash out anything from here. And then you go down a little bit more, you will see your cash box. This is your cash box. So how to cash it? If you can see, this is the lock. Every machine comes with two sets of cash keys for the box. You will have that key, and let's say here in the envelope there is, as you can see, the keys of the machine and the other keys for the cash box. So I have my own key. I'm gonna use it. All the machines have the same cash box and same cash key. As you can see here, the code 518 to open the cash box. So what you're gonna do is, here you will put the key in. See, again you put the key in here and then you twist. So when you twist, this key doesn't come out, but the cash box will come out, and then you will find all your coins inside this. You cash out and you take all your coins out, and then you take the cash box back and you put it. Let's say I want to put it this way. This is not gonna work. If you can see, you can't. When you lock, see, when you lock it, it will come out again. So the right way how to do it, you're gonna take it like this way, you see, sideways first, and then you put it in, and then you slide, and then you lock it, you take your keys out. So this is the way how you cash out your coins. The coins will be collected here. Now next, what to do, you're gonna cash out your bills. How to cash out your bills? You're gonna take this stacker out. As you can see, there's a yellow button. So you push the yellow button in, and then you lift this up a little bit. The reason why to lift it up, because you need it out of the track. You can see it out, and then you pull, and then you will have all your bills inside. So how to cash it? You will open this and then push thing down, and then you take all your bills from this way, or you can just collect them from here. Okay, so again, you see, this is all the bills goes here, and you cash them out from here. These teeth must be at the bottom. So here, I'm gonna show you how to put it. So you put, again, you see here, you line it to put it in, and then you click. So this is the way how you do it. Let's do it again. You see the top piece, the yellow, you press on it. While you keep pressing on it, just lift this one up, and then this one easily will come out. How to put it back? You will put it in here. You have to line it. As you can see, you line it and then you push down To make sure that you put the bill acceptor in properly, close the door. Right now the door is not closed, so you see the lights is not flashing. So just close the door and you will see the lights start flashing again. That means you put the bill acceptor, the stacker, back in properly and everything is working. As you can see, there's no message here. I mean, no messages on the screen. It says just machine is ready, welcome, and this thing is the bill acceptor is flashing and ready to accept bills. That's all about it. Thank you for watching. This is Feel Good Snacks. Thank you.